Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for coming our presentation. Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Rosi Rahmawati. I'm from Group 1. The name of the Group 1, there are 4 members. The first, Rosi Rahmawati, and then the second, Tika Rahayu Pujianti, the third, Uci Supriyadi, and the fourth, Ratu Dahlia. Okay, my friend, in this presentation, we will explain about preposition, adverb, particle, and phrasal verb. Keep on watching. Now, I want to explain about what is prepositions. Prepositions are words, usually small, that typically indicate information about direction, location, or time. There is only a small of prepositions in English. Some commonly used examples are at, from, in, on, and to. Preposition is normally placed directly in front of nouns. In some cases, we will find prepositions in front of gerund verbs. In the example, she made notes on the paper. My office is between the post office and the bank. I will meet you after work. There is example about preposition.
Okay, the next slide is me. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ratu Dadanisa Hidayat. Okay, types of preposition. The first, preposition of time. Basic example of time preposition include at, on, in, before, and after. They are used to help indicate when something happens, or will happen. For example, I was born 2 minutes before my twin brother. Okay, the second, preposition of place. The most common preposition to indicate time, on, at, in, are also the most common preposition to indicate position. Another preposition such as under, over, inside, outside, above, and below. For example, the cat is on the table. The third, preposition of movement. Essentially, they describe how something or someone moves from one place to another. The most commonly used preposition of movement is to. Other more specific preposition of movement include through, across, off, down, and into. For example, he has gone on vacation to France. Next, adverb particle. Adverb particle are small adverb like above, about, across, ahead, away, back, in, on, off, under, and up. Many of these words can also be used as preposition, but there are some exceptions. For example, back and away, from and during.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Tika. Well, I'm going to explain the next slide, the differences between adverb particles and prepositions. Basically, adverb particles and prepositions, they have the same example, small words such as on, in, up, down, off, etc. It's kind of confusing when we find the word like on, in, up in a sentence. They could be preposition and they could be adverb particle. When the words on, in, up, and down used as a preposition, they take objects. But when the words on, in, up, and down And another example, as adverb particles, they do not take objects. To enhance our understanding, let's compare some examples. So number 1, he drove down the road. Down as a particles, it could be preposition and adverb particles. So the difference is an object. In this example, they have an object, the road. So down could be called preposition. What about another example? Please sit down. Down in here can be adverb particles because they do not take object. They don't have object in this example. Another example, he is in the garden. In this example, as a preposition because they take an object, the garden. The last example, may I come in? In this example, as a adverb particles because they do not take an object. Next, adverb particles are sometimes used together with verbs to form two-word verbs. These are often called phrasal verbs, including break down, put off, work out, give up, etc.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Uji Supriyadi. For the example, could you please switch on the lights? Note, the meaning of a phrasal verb is not always traceable from the meanings of the individual words in it. Okay, thank you from us. Sorry for our mistake and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.